This guide provides a straightforward explanation of how Shopify Capital loans are repaid. Shopify Capital offers funding to eligible merchants, and the repayment process is generally automated and tied to your store's sales. Key repayment mechanisms. Daily payment percentage, most common. Shopify Capital typically collects repayments as a fixed percentage of your daily sales. This percentage is determined when you accept the funding offer. This means that on days with higher sales, more will be repaid, and on days with lower sales, less will be repaid. If you have no sales on a given day, no repayment is collected for that day. This continues automatically until the total payment amount, loan amount plus borrowing cost, is fully paid off. Minimum payment thresholds for loans. For Shopify Capital loans, as opposed to merchant cash advances, there are usually minimum payment thresholds to ensure progress. Example, you might be required to repay at least 30% of the total loan by the 6-month mark and 60% by the 12-month mark. If your daily sales repayments don't meet these minimums, you might be required to make a manual payment to cover the difference. Maximum repayment term. Shopify Capital loans typically have a maximum repayment term, e.g., 18 months. The goal is to repay the loan sooner through your daily sales, but the full amount must be repaid within this maximum period. Steps to manage and make manual payments. Access your capital information. From your Shopify admin, go to Finance. In the Accounts section, click Capital. Here, you can view your current balance, the amount repaid, and your payment transaction history. Make a manual payment if needed or desired. From the Capital page, click Make a Payment. You can choose to enter a custom amount for a partial manual payment. Click Full Remaining Balance to pay off the entire outstanding amount. Click Next Step to review the payment. Click Make a Payment to confirm. Important notes. Automated debits. Repayments are automatically debited from the same business bank account linked to your Shopify Payments account. Ensure this account has sufficient funds. Fixed cost. The borrowing cost fee for a Shopify Capital loan is fixed. Paying early does not reduce this cost. Failed payments. If an automatic debit fails, Shopify usually won't reattempt that specific payment. However, daily repayments will resume as usual. You have the option to make a manual payment to cover any missed amounts. Eligibility for new funding. Repaying your current loan, especially meeting minimum thresholds, can impact your eligibility for future Shopify Capital offers.